Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Check MIUI and Android build so you know what settings are available. Next, enable notifications and auto start for the apps that lag. This lets them run in background. Also disable any battery saver profiles, those aggressively kill push services. Once done, set battery optimization for each app to no restrictions so the system won't throttle it. These steps clear the common blocks. They prepare the phone so push messages can arrive reliably. Now you dig into deeper controls. Open each app's app info and ensure notifications, floating windows, and background activity are permitted. This allows sockets and wake events. Then set lock screen notifications and give priority if available. That prevents do not disturb suppression. Use the security app to explicitly allow auto start and to remove the app from any sleeping or deep sleep list. Those lists silently block network heartbeats. If the app uses its own sync interval, adjust it so messages arrive faster. Finish by rebooting the phone. A restart applies changes and cleans stalled services. After reboot, test push delivery with a messaging app or notification tester so you can observe behavior. If delays persist, clear the app cache and reinstall the latest app version. Corrupt data or old builds can misbehave. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle Wi-Fi and mobile data and confirm automatic time synchronization. Network switching or wrong device time often breaks push authentication, which causes delayed notifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.